Singapore Travel Guide. Welcome to the vibrant city-state of Singapore. Known for its modern architecture, diverse culture, and delicious cuisine, Singapore offers a unique blend of tradition and innovation. In this comprehensive travel guide, we will explore the top attractions, local experiences, and practical information to help you make the most of your visit to this exciting destination. Singapore, located in Southeast Asia, is a small island country known for its efficient transportation system, impeccable cleanliness, and strict laws. The official languages are English, Mandarin Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. Currency. The official currency is the Singapore dollar, SGD. Currency exchange services are widely available at banks, hotels, and licensed money changers. ATMs are also easily accessible throughout the city. Visa requirements. Visa requirements vary depending on your nationality. Visitors from many countries are granted a visa-free entry for a limited period. It is advisable to check with the nearest Singapore embassy or consulate before your trip. Weather. Singapore has a tropical climate, characterized by hot and humid weather year-round. Temperatures average between 25 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 88 degrees Fahrenheit. It is recommended to pack lightweight, breathable clothing and carry an umbrella or raincoat as rain showers are common. Top attractions. Marina Bay Sands. Visit the iconic Marina Bay Sands complex, featuring a luxurious hotel, a rooftop infinity pool, high-end shopping malls, and a range of world-class dining options. Don't miss the stunning light and water show at the Spectra Waterfront Promenade. Gardens by the Bay. Explore the magnificent Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic nature park spanning 101 hectares. Highlights include the Super Tree Grove, Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, and the mesmerizing OCBC Skyway, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline. Sentosa Island. Sentosa Island is a popular tourist destination located in Singapore. It is a small island situated off the southern coast of the main island of Singapore and is known for its beautiful beaches, entertainment attractions, and recreational activities. Overall, Sentosa Island offers a diverse range of attractions, entertainment, and natural beauty, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists visiting Singapore. Chinatown is a vibrant and culturally rich neighborhood in Singapore that showcases the city-state's Chinese heritage. Chinatown is located in the central region of Singapore, near the downtown core. It is situated within the larger district of Outram. It is known for its rich heritage and strong Chinese cultural influence. The neighborhood features traditional Chinese architecture, colorful shophouses, ornate temples, and cultural landmarks that reflect Singapore's Chinese history. Historic District. Chinatown is home to several historic sites and landmarks. One of the prominent landmarks is the Sri Mariamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore. Another notable site is the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum, a magnificent Buddhist temple that houses a sacred relic of the Buddha. Street markets. Chinatown is famous for its vibrant street markets. One of the popular markets is the Chinatown Street Market along Pagoda Street, Smith Street, and Temple Street. Visitors can find a wide array of items such as souvenirs, traditional Chinese crafts, clothing, accessories, and local street food. Food and hawker centers. Chinatown is a food lover's paradise. The neighborhood is filled with traditional Chinese eateries, hawker centers, and restaurants serving a wide variety of delicious Chinese cuisine. Shopping. Besides the street markets, Chinatown offers a mix of traditional and modern shopping experiences. There are shopping malls like Chinatown Point and People's Park Complex that house a variety of shops selling clothing, accessories, traditional Chinese medicine, and more. Chinatown in Singapore offers a unique blend of history, culture, shopping, and culinary experiences, making it a must-visit destination for tourists and locals alike. Little India. Experience the sights, sounds, and flavors of Little India. Discover colorful shops selling traditional garments, spices, and Indian handicrafts. Visit the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, browse through the Mustafa Center, and savor authentic Indian cuisine. Let's talk now about local experiences. Hawker centers. Indulge in Singapore's renowned food culture at hawker centers. These open-air food courts offer a wide variety of affordable and delicious local dishes, including Hainanese chicken rice, laksa, satay, and chili crab. Some popular hawker centers include Maxwell Food Center, Chinatown Complex Food Center, and Lau Pa Saturday. Singapore River Cruise. The Singapore River Cruise provides a relaxing and scenic way to explore Singapore's riverfront, offering glimpses of the city's history, modernity, and architectural splendor. It is a popular choice for tourists seeking a unique perspective of Singapore's iconic landmarks and waterfront areas. The Singapore River Cruise is a popular tourist attraction that offers visitors a unique perspective of Singapore's iconic landmarks and historic sites while cruising along the Singapore River. Night Safari. Embark on a unique adventure at the Singapore Night Safari, the world's first nocturnal wildlife park. Witness a diverse range of animals in their natural habitats as you explore the park on foot or on a guided tram ride. The Night Safari offers a captivating and immersive experience, allowing visitors to observe and appreciate the wonders of the animal kingdom at night. It is a must-visit attraction for animal lovers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking a unique wildlife experience in Singapore. Transportation in Singapore is known for its efficiency, safety, and convenience. The city-state has a well-developed and integrated transportation system that includes various modes of transport. Here are the key transportation options in Singapore. Mass Rapid Transit, MRT. The MRT is Singapore's extensive and efficient subway system. It covers most parts of the city-state, including the downtown area, residential neighborhoods, and even extends to the outskirts. Buses. Singapore has an extensive bus network that complements the MRT system. Buses serve areas that are not covered by the MRT, providing accessibility to various neighborhoods, commercial areas, and attractions. Taxis. Taxis are widely available in Singapore and offer a convenient mode of transportation. Taxis can be flagged down on the street, or they can be booked through phone apps or at taxi stands. LRT, the light rail transit system, complements the MRT and serves specific neighborhoods and housing estates. The LRT connects residential areas to nearby MRT stations, enhancing connectivity and accessibility. Accommodation. Singapore offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget. From luxurious hotels to budget-friendly hostels and serviced apartments, you can find something for every preference. Popular areas to stay include Marina Bay, Orchard Road, and Clark Quay. Safety and etiquette. Singapore is known for its high level of safety and cleanliness. The city-state has strict laws and regulations in place to ensure public safety and order. Here are some key points regarding safety and etiquette in Singapore. Follow laws and regulations. Singapore has strict laws, and it's important to adhere to them. This includes obeying traffic rules, not littering, and respecting public spaces. Familiarize yourself with local laws to avoid any legal issues. Low crime rate. Singapore is considered one of the safest cities in the world with a low crime rate. However, it's still advisable to take basic precautions like safeguarding personal belongings, being aware of your surroundings, and avoiding isolated areas at night. Cleanliness and littering. Singapore takes pride in its cleanliness. Littering is strictly prohibited, and fines can be imposed for violating this rule. Make use of trash bins available throughout the city and help maintain the cleanliness of public spaces. Chewing gum. The sale and import of chewing gum are restricted in Singapore. It is advisable to avoid bringing chewing gum into the country or dispose of it properly if you are carrying it. Violation of this law can result in penalties. By respecting the laws and cultural norms, practicing good hygiene, and being considerate of others, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable experience while in Singapore. Health and safety. Singapore has excellent healthcare facilities and standards. Tap water is safe to drink, and hygiene levels are generally high. However, it is recommended to have travel insurance and check if any vaccinations are required before your trip. Singapore offers a captivating blend of modernity and tradition, making it an exciting destination for travelers. With its stunning attractions, diverse culture, and mouth-watering cuisine, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience in this dynamic city-state. Remember to plan your itinerary in advance, stay hydrated in the tropical climate, and immerse yourself in the local customs and traditions. Enjoy your visit to Singapore.